Hey, good afternoon. I had to check what day, what time it is. Good afternoon, Sunday afternoon here in Chicago. It is cold, but I got my hoodie on and I'm ready to rock and roll with the markets opening up here soon. So, for those that know me, I'm really locked in on what I do as far as our team, the impulse scanner, the ATH RSI indicator. And so I had a teammate. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Comment if you're interested in joining us. You might after I show you this amazing app that I just came across that I was aware of but not aware of. Hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, do everything to kind of follow my content, as I've been a trader for 8 years now and making money online for 26. So I got that out of the way. So for those that know me, as I said earlier, I am locked in on what I do. Okay, I've always been locked in on what I do, and sometimes that's tunnel vision. That's really, really important, especially for trading. So I had a teammate reach out to me and said, "Hey, Jeff, have you checked out this Blaze app?" Okay. And I've got it on my phone because I'm a member of the company. And there it is. Okay. There it is. I got a split screen, I believe. So let me show you where there it is. It's a little green right there. So, and I'm like, okay, well, I've heard Blaze, right? But I'm so locked in on the impulse scanner, the ATH RSI indicator, all the success that we're having. I'm helping a lot of folks in the background. And she brought it to my attention. I'm like, well, I just want to trade. I figured I would try this app out that gives potential trade ideas. Doesn't give you signals, right? But it gives you a trade idea, and then you go to the chart and look at it. I'm like, oh wow, this looks like a potentially good entry model, and you jump in. And I said, okay, well that's interesting because we used to several years ago have an app called the Swipe Trades app, which was amazing. And then it kind of went away. And it's really, really important. The traders who call out these particular trade opportunities, they have to be vetted through the company, right? You just don't have anybody. It's like when you go on all these Forex groups or the people that spam groups with their Telegram chat, free signals, free signals, free signals. That's not what this is. We actually provide education, okay? And so I said, okay, well, let me, I've got that particular package, so let me take a look and look at the app. And I'm like, oh, wow. So what I love about this app is, trading takes a little bit of time. Even with the impulse scanner, the ATH RSI indicator, you got to practice a little bit, right? We want folks to go on demo. We don't want them to go live right away. There's a process that we have you go through. We have a process sheet, a Google Doc is what we call it, on the entry models that we teach with the scanner and the ATH RSI indicator. And again, not a buy or sell signal is our indicator, but an extra confirmation. And people are crushing it. People are having great success. But there are those days that, hey, I can't really dig into the charts too long and practice this and watch this. It'd be great to have an app that gives you potential opportunities. I could pop them on the chart, say, oh, wow, okay. And you can say, yep, I'm going to take that opportunity. Nope, I'm not going to take that opportunity. And help you along the way while you're learning the skill, through the scanner, the ATH RSI, or if you do smart money through our community. We've been doing this for 8 years. We've got this down to a science. And I'm like, wow. So I dig a deeper dive over the last couple of days. I'm like, wow, this might help a lot of folks. And that's really why I'm doing this video. This might help a lot of folks. Now, this is only available in a couple different packages. So I'll put the link of the package in the comments section so you can see where you can get this app, right? It's not something where you can just get the app at like $10 a month, right? It's not that, right? But in accordance with the impulse scanner, what we do, there's an amazing, it's called the Foreign Exchange Plus package, and you get a lot of great resources. And that includes the scanner that we use, et cetera. So this might be a perfect complement to what your trading goals are if you are working through the training for us, the impulse scanner. Like, man, it'd be nice to be able to kind of practice take a trade here, etc. This app is perfect for you. This app is absolutely perfect for you. And I was kind of blown away. All right. So this is the app, and I'm showing you the screen. I kind of showed it to you on my phone at the beginning of this video. So here's what you get with the Blaze app, okay? So you obviously get, right, this is gold, it's bearish, it's a sell limit, and the invalidation is what we generally call, where it's out of the zone, right? So this is, if it goes in a different direction and it's out of the zone, then obviously you wouldn't take this particular trade. So, or considered like a stop loss, right? You can consider like a stop loss. So let me show you what this has got. So it's very similar to the old app. So it's got a trade idea, right? And bearish, and it's by Mike Navarrete, and he's part of Eovia, and he's absolutely fantastic trader. And he has his own channel. When you come on board, you can follow him. He goes live a couple times a week, goes over the charts, etc. Right? He educates you on how to trade successfully and use this app, okay? So it's a 30-minute time frame, and you see this button. It's just kind of a copy, right? You can copy it if you're on your phone, right? And the zone of action. So, for example, on this gold one, somewhere between 27.22 and 27.23, right? The invalidation level would be like a stop loss, right? 27.2650. Or if it goes there before it gets to this zone, okay? If it goes there before it gets to this zone. And let me just send you the next screen. And then it has exit 1, exit 2. You can see on this screenshot, exit 1. That would be like a take profit, right? Here is exit 2, take profit, right? You can trail your stop loss. You can catch a few pips this way. You can catch bigger moves this way. And boom. And if there's any additional notes on the app, on the trade idea, he'll put them in here, okay? And then, as you can see down here, there's even a chart on the move, right? So here's the zone, right, that he's looking at, and the invalidation level, right, past here, stop loss, or, it gets way past that level. And so you get a chart as to what he sees, right? So you can learn a little bit about what he sees as far as this particular trade idea. And that's what's amazing. And, we have folks in our community that sometimes struggle. We have a couple tools for a lot size risk calculator. But look at this one. So if you're a current teammate and you have this package, you're the Foreign Exchange Plus package, download the app. You can put everything in here to kind of determine lot size, etc. Right? Because you want to use proper risk, okay? I mean, freaking amazing. So if you're interested in potentially trying this out, then obviously reach me. There'll be a link below. The package you want to choose is the Foreign Exchange Plus, and then you can download the app. We do recommend, obviously, practice on demo. Demo, right? It's not just a live signal. You go live, boom, 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 right? Doesn't mean every trade is a winner. This is just an absolute game changer for folks that, maybe there's a couple days during the week that they can't go through the training or they can't spend more time on the charts, even though the impulse scanner saves you a lot of time, right? We're always looking for ways to spend less time on the charts. Well, here it is. Then you just pull up the chart. Okay, I see what he sees. I potentially can set up a sell limit. Boom. And you're off to the races. So that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Any questions, reach me. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot of great content. And also, I have in my bio, and I'll also put it below every video here, is we have a 10 video podcast. It's called a secret podcast. It's 10 videos on us, the scanner, the ATH RSI indicator. We show you how it works, all that good stuff. Lots of great education. Just look for that link, and you can subscribe there. Again, you have methods to reach me depending on where you're seeing this, and jump on this app. It's fantastic. That's it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.